Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Quest. In today's video, we'll be playing Would You Rather Superhero or Supervillain? Iconic movie lines quiz. We get into the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes. Thank you, and let's get started. Would you rather? Say, with great power comes great responsibility. Or, in the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. Would you rather shout, "I am Iron Man," or whisper, "Why so serious?" Would you rather proclaim, "I can do this all day," or "I am the king of the world"? Would you rather announce, "It's not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me," or "I find your lack of faith disturbing"? Would you rather declare, "I'm just a kid from Brooklyn," or "I am the Senate"? Would you rather say, "Wakanda forever," or "In the end, we will be judged not by what we have destroyed, but by what we have created"? Would you rather whisper, "I'm always angry," or "There's no place like home"? Would you rather proclaim, "No matter how bad things get, something good is out there, just over the horizon," or "Every fairy tale needs a good old-fashioned villain"? Would you rather announce, "Some people choose to see the ugliness in this world, the disarray, I choose to see the beauty," or "In time, you will know what it's like to lose"? Would you rather declare, "I'm vengeance," or "Here's looking at you, kid"? Would you rather say, "I had nothing to do with the death of the Waynes," or "I'm the king of the world"? Would you rather proclaim, "Heroes are made by the paths they choose, not the powers they are graced with," or "I'll be back"? Would you rather whisper, "You either die a hero, or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain," or "You can't handle the truth"? Would you rather announce, "We are Groot," or "I feel the need for speed"? Would you rather declare, "Truth, justice, and the American way," or "This is the start of a beautiful friendship"? Would you rather say, "I'm just a friendly neighborhood Spider-Man," or "Keep your friends close but your enemies closer"? Would you rather proclaim, "I can't control their fear, only my own," or "I am the law"? Would you rather whisper, "We have a Hulk," or "Say hello to my little friend"? Would you rather announce, "I still believe in heroes," or "The stuff that dreams are made of"? Would you rather declare, "We rise only by lifting others," or "I want to play a game"? Would you rather say, "It's not about deserving, it's about what you believe," or "You talking to me"? Would you rather proclaim, "Nothing goes over my head, my reflexes are too fast," or "I'll make him an offer he can't refuse"? Would you rather whisper, "I'm Batman," or "I drink your milkshake"? Would you rather announce, "This isn't freedom, this is fear," or "May the force be with you"? Would you rather declare, "I don't want to kill anyone, I don't like bullies, I don't care where they're from," or life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.